Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Max Tutorials. You found version B of how to solve inequalities. Now, I'm gonna not gonna lie to you. I made this really simple in this one. Um, I just want to show you that solving inequalities is the same as just solving equations, which I did in Unit 2. So this one I'm going to go really quick. There was also a version A. This is version B. As a reminder, if you go to maxtutorials.com, you'll see videos on all this stuff and different worksheets, and you can get all the information you want on how to get through an algebra class. All right, you can leave me comments and do all that. Please also like and subscribe because it really helps me with the videos. Okay, so now on this, and like I said, maybe I did a little, too little in this one video, but I just think it's really good whenever you have a chance to just practice solving equations. Whenever you have a less than or an equal sign, all you're going to do is copy it down like it was an equal sign. Boom, that's it. Now, some of you, you know that there is a situation when you flip the sign. I didn't put that situation on any of these. I just want you to practice solving problems and learning that when you see that greater or less than sign, there's no reason to freak out. All you got to do is just solve the problem like it was an equal sign and you just copy it down. When we get to the situation where we flip, I'll make sure to stop and let you know because that is very important that you know that part of that. 6 times 8 is 48. Boom, 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 boom. So here, this is a two-stepping problem. I want to get letters on one side, numbers on the other. Again, this is all in chapter 2 if I'm going too quick for you. Make sure you look at that and that'll help you out. maxtutorials.com. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Now you see a minus sign. You may know that there's something going on with minus signs and flipping. There is, but not when you add and subtract. You can add and subtract to your heart's content. Adding and subtracting has nothing to do with changing the sign on this. Okay, all you're going to do is you're just going to keep copying it down and you're just going to solve. So don't let that be a big deal to you. I'm going to put this dot here. That's a multiplication dot, which is kind of in the way. So remember, if you have a denominator, you just multiply it by it, and that's how you get rid of it. 42, notice I'm just copying these down. All right, don't worry about it. So now here, I'm going to multiply each side by 5, and boom, boom, they die. X is greater than 15, pretty easy. Here I have a two-step equation, so I'm going to minus. Aha, there's that negative sign. Now you flip it. No, you don't. You just keep it going. It's all good. Okay, and that's going to be 28. I don't want to divide. I'm going to get 7. You can add and subtract all you want, adding and subtracting, negative numbers, all that has nothing to do with flipping the sign. Okay? There we go. And I'm going to get 9x. Well, then why aren't we flipping the sign? Come on, man, just get to it. Well, I will in the next section. So watch the next video. If you're done with this and you feel like you're good, that's cool. Move on to the next one. But if you know that solving problems is just something that kind of hangs you up a little bit, keep watching. Follow through with this. Make sure you feel comfortable. But if you notice, I'm not flipping any of the signs. I haven't done anything. Now, I'll tell you right now, spoiler alert, when I multiply or divide by a negative number, that's when I'm going to flip it. But like right here, I divided, but I divided by a positive number. Well, there's your negative number right there. I see it. Well, yeah, but I'm not multiplying or dividing. I'm subtracting. Okay, so you don't. Multiply by 2. Well, you're multiplying. That's okay. I'm just going to keep it going. I didn't multiply by a negative number, so it's fine. Okay, and here I'm going to add 20 to both sides, and that's going to leave me with 10x is greater than 70, divided each side by 10. Boom, x equals 7, and I am done. And it's really that simple, my friends. So there is version B. You can go on the version C if you feel like you'd like a little more practice. If you want to start working on when you flip, that's in the next section, and I'll see you over there and we can talk there. If not, I'll see you in version C. Take care, everybody. Keep working hard.